Pandesal with 1 bite. Ilaw niya ba? Ilaw niya.
Face here. How about the spaghetti?
Then kaon.
Nathan, just say something. You have to say something.
It's so good. It's so good. Luba lang. Luba lang. Tukan ko.
Done?
Yum yum. Yes. So good.
How does it taste?
This place.
Hmm?
Malunggay pandesal.
How does it taste? It tastes good?
Spaghetti. Normal. Taste normal.
Tastes yum?
Yeah! Ala, ala!
Okay, you say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Kuya Francis.
Bye-bye.